My name is Jacinda Jones. I am the granddaughter of Aretha P. Jones. Aretha P. Jones was a very well-known caterer here in the city of Little Rock and around the state of Arkansas. She was a special caterer for the governor's mansion through several different governors. After she passed in '03, we felt something was missing from our lives. And it was food. It was engaging with people, you know, creating things. And so in '04, my sister and I, along with some other family members, decided to continue her catering business. We would find out at catered events that people were gravitating towards the beverage table more so than the food table. And so we just kind of thought, hey, this might be a good thing. You know, after, 12 years of doing it, we just kind of took upon ourselves to kind of test the market. We created the beverages in a licensed kitchen, and then we would take it to the farmer's market on Saturdays. We missed one Saturday, and as a result of missing, we got a call from the manager of the Little Rock Farmer's Market and said, hey, people are looking for you guys. What happened? You know, we thought we might have something.
Aretha, my grandmother, she was, I just say, a genius at picking and choosing what things went together.
These recipes were taken from back 1930, and they're brought all the way up here in 2016. I think people are are wanting to get back to, you know, the good old days, you know, when life was simple. And these beverages, you know, when you drink it, you don't have that commercial taste. There's not a commercial taste associated with it. It is something, it takes you back. You know, all of our drinks are, they give you that feeling of life on the porch. An Arkansas grown name, it just helps lift what we're trying to do. It's just promote Arkansas, promote the goodness of Arkansas. Because Arkansas is just filled with so many different pockets of sweetness, goodness, natural. We are the natural state, you know, so to be associated with that is great.